Take two people performing the exact same physical routine. One moves fluidly with high energy, while the other visibly struggles to finish their sets. While effort is a factor, even the most intense drive is limited by the body's internal chemistry. Without the correct fuel, the physiological systems required for high-intensity work eventually hit a wall. This occurs because physical training does not build strength during the session itself. Instead, the mechanical stress of lifting or running actively breaks the body down, stretching and fraying muscle fibers into thousands of microscopic tears. Common nutritional habits, like training on a completely empty stomach or eating heavy processed meals, deprive the body of the materials it needs to mend this damage. Reaching your physical potential requires mapping your nutrition directly to a biological timeline of exertion and repair. This timeline begins a full 2 to 3 hours before you reach the gym. In this early window, the body needs to build a functional baseline for the upcoming effort. This slow-moving wave represents complex carbohydrates breaking down into a stable, long-lasting stream of energy. Grilled chicken and brown rice are ideal for this 3-hour window. The protein provides early support for the muscles, while the complex carbs ensure the energy stream doesn't crash before the workout starts. As the clock moves to the 1 to 2 hour mark, the window for digestion begins to narrow. At this stage, the body requires fuel that digests easily while still providing staying power. Whole grain toast with peanut butter offers a balance of lasting energy and healthy fats that the body can process quickly. By the 30 to 60-minute primer phase, the body needs an immediate surge of energy to prepare for the physical stress ahead. Rapid digesting carbohydrates like oatmeal, Greek yogurt, or fruit prevent an energy crash. These options move through the digestive system quickly, providing fuel without causing heaviness. Bananas are particularly effective here because they provide potassium. This mineral supports proper nerve signals and muscle function during acute physical exertion. Staging these meals on a countdown ensures the muscles have a constant supply of energy without causing digestive distress during the workout. At T0, the body is under maximum stress. During the workout, fluid dynamics become the primary limit on physical output. Constant hydration is required to regulate core temperature and maintain circulation. Replacing the fluids lost through sweat allows the body to continue performing at a high level. Once the training ends, the timeline moves into the recovery window. The body is now in a state of depleted resources and must transition into a phase of repair. During exercise, the body empties its glycogen stores, the primary energy reserves in the muscles. Consuming carbohydrates immediately after training refills these tanks. Simultaneously, the body needs protein to synthesize new tissue. As these molecules attach to the frayed muscle fibers, they bind the tissue back together, making it structurally stronger than it was before the session. Meals like chicken and sweet potatoes or eggs and toast provide the necessary balance of protein and carbohydrates to jumpstart this process. Salmon and brown rice are also effective, as the omega-3 fatty acids in the fish support the overall recovery process and long-term health. For those who train in the evening, slow-digesting proteins like cottage cheese combined with fruit help sustain this cellular repair throughout the night. Failing to provide these specific nutrients leaves the body in a state of breakdown, leading to persistent soreness and a lack of physical progress. While the gym is where stress occurs, the kitchen is where the actual transformation is finalized. Biologically, the stress of a workout only resolves once the body has secured the specific raw materials needed to repair the tissue. Consistently timing your intake according to this biological clock is more effective for most people than following a highly restrictive diet. Synchronizing your nutrition with this timeline helps move the body past periods of stagnation, ensuring that every session results in actual physical progress and faster recovery. What are your go-to pre- or post-workout meals? Let us know in the comments. If you found this breakdown helpful, like the video and subscribe for more science-backed nutrition guides every week. Thanks for watching.